Okay. Hi! Welcome to Making Words today. Today for making words you will need these letters. If you don't have letters, you can write them on a piece of paper and cut them out. We just want you to be able to move them around. The letters are I, U, G, J, M, N, P. And before we get started, let's do our sounds. Some of these letters have two sounds. This has two sounds? Mm-hmm. You know, look in. Two sounds? And two sounds. Okay. So let's say this one. Ready? I, U, G, J. Just J. That's awesome. Okay. After you get your letters, just know, just p. You'll need a, it doesn't say pa, that would be P-A. All right, we just want p. You would need a pencil and some papers to write your words down. We cut up 10 pieces of little paper, and then you write your words down. Yep. We'll do making words, we'll sort it, and we'll write it, and we'll write a sentence too. So we'll see you back in just a second for making words. Okay, Adriana, here we go. Are you ready, girl? Mm-hmm. You gotta make it and you have to write it. Mm-hmm. All right. The first word is up. I woke up early. Why don't you make it with your letters first, and then you can make it up there.
I have to make it up there.
Yeah, so then they can see it at home. Up. Let's see if everyone's got it.
They see this in books.
Okay.
Up.
Awesome. Write that down on your piece of paper. Don't forget to write the word up. Number 2. In. Go in the house. In. That's two sounds. In. Go ahead and make it up there, Gina. You have to go super. Write it down on your piece of paper. In. Number 3. Pin. You just add one letter to pin, or one letter in to make pin. She wore a pretty pin on her sweater. Pin. Go ahead and make that word, Gina, for us. Pin. Go ahead, Gina. Can you say it for us?
Pin.
Awesome. Write that word down. Pin. Change just the last letter in pin to spell pig. Pig. We saw a baby pig. Go ahead, Gina, make that word up there. Pig. Change one letter. Pig.
That'll be pink. Pink.
What does that say, though?
Pig.
All right, write that word down. Pig. Okay, our next word, just change the first letter in pig to make the word jig. We danced a jig. Jig.
At the mall.
Good. Go ahead. Show it. Let's hear you.
Jig.
Write that word down. Jig.
Twinsies.
Twinsies. Okay. The next word, you're just going to change the vowel in the middle to make jug. Jug. Sometimes milk comes in a jug. Jug. Go ahead, quickly make that word. Gotta go fast, Gina. Super fast.
It's getting hard.
Don't worry about those letters. Just make the word jug. Can you sound that out for us?
Jug.
Awesome. Write that word jug down. Now change the first letter in jug to make mug. The girls just drank tea in a mug. Mug. Go ahead right away and change it, Gina. Let's hear it.
Mug.
Awesome.
My mom just got a mug for my birthday.
Yeah, let's do that move the letters around trick. Make sure to write mug down. We're going to move the letters around in mug to spell gum. Which is funny. The girls just had a piece of gum. Move the letters around, Gina.
I made gum.
Gum. Oh, she's busy writing that word mug down. Okay, go up there and move it around and make gum. There it is. Gum. Write that word down. Gum. Now we're going to spell a 4-letter word, jump. Andrina likes to jump rope. Let's stretch out that word jump. Go ahead and make that word, Andrina, up at the top. Jump.
Jump.
Awesome. Okay, we are on the last secret word. Keep the word jump and add the last 3 letters that you see. I see an N, a G, and an I up there to make the secret word. Secret word. Ready, Drina? 1, 2, 3.
Jumping!
Good. Oh, you forgot your M, love. That's okay. Make it right up here. It's because you covered it up. Okay. Add those in there. You have to squish those letters together a little bit. Jumping.
This ain't fun.
I-N-G makes ing. Can you think of another word that says ing besides jumping? Stirring. Sweeping.
I swing.
Okay. Okay. We are ready to do our sort. But first we need to read all of our words. As you read them, I want you to use your ears, Drina, and everyone at home. Use your eyes. And be thinking about how are some of these words the same so I can put them into a group. Drina, are you ready? Let's read it together. Ready? Go. Mug, gum, jug, pig, jig, pin, in, up, jump, jumping. Now what I want you to do. Awesome. So now move your words around into groups and how they're the same, how they sound, or how they look. Go ahead and do that, Drina. Let's see what you've decided. At home you can pause this so then you can do it yourself before you see what Andrina does. Go ahead, Drina. Okay, Drina, tell us how you decided to sort these words. Look at that first group. What did you decide? Just look at the words up there, Andrina. Don't worry about the ones down there. How did you sort the words?
I mean in.
Okay.
Then just P on the end.
Oh, so you looked at in and then that has...
U in the front, I meant. And then U.
Hold on, go back to all those U's. What do all of those say? What do you hear? Gum, mug, jug, jump, jumping. What do you hear? No, put those back. What do you hear?
U.
What sound do you hear? Okay. What about that word up at the top? Where could that go now?
Here?
Yeah. That could go with those. And the last, what are the last 2 words?
Last one.
Mm-hmm.
Egg.
Okay. All right. At home, I'm wondering how you sort it. Maybe put it by the beginning sound or the end sound. Or maybe put all the ums like gum and jump and jumping together. And all the ug like jug and mug together. Okay, next we're going to be writing one of our words in a sentence. So go ahead and pick a word. Gina, pick a word. She's going to do jump. We'd like you to write this word in a sentence. You can choose any of those 10 words we made and write it into a sentence. Go ahead and get started. Hey, go ahead and read us your 2 sentences.
Try to jump off the swing. My pin is pretty on my dress.
What did you remember to put at the beginning of your sentence?
A capital.
And what do you have here? Well,
A heart.
well, it's supposed to be a
Period.
period or an exclamation point, a question
That's a
mark.
pretty. It's pretty. Bye.
Ready?
How about for ing, we're saying I'm waving bye. Bye. Bye.